Welcome to class today, everybody. We have a fun lesson planned for today for our math lesson. Today I want you all to sit in ready position. How will you sit?
Ready position.
That's right, in ready position. And please listen carefully and answer together. How will you listen?
Carefully.
And how will you answer?
Together.
Excellent answers, thank you. Yesterday we learned what a number line was and that numbers have a specific spot. We also learned that when you go to the right, numbers get bigger, and when you go to the left, numbers get smaller. Let's do a little review. Everyone quietly fill out your number lines starting from 0 and all the way to 10. Raise your hand if you need help. Good job, Hannah. You remembered how to fill out your number line. You too, Sydney. Good job. So it looks like everyone remembered how to fill it out correctly. Now I will say a number, and you put a dot on the number that I say out loud, just like we did yesterday. 5, 3, 7, 1. Okay, now come around and check. Good job. You guys put a dot on all the numbers that I said. Great work. Remember that a space between each line represents the number, not the line itself. Students, who can raise their hand and tell me how frogs get around? Hannah?
They jump.
That's right. Frogs jump. Today you will learn how to add using a number line. What will you learn today?
Add using a number line.
Let's try that together.
Add using a number line.
Perfect. When we add on a number line, we will jump just like the frogs do. When we add on a number line, we follow 5 easy steps. Step 1 is read the first number. Cindy, what's the first step?
Read the first number.
So let's start with the problem like 3 plus 2. So since the first step is read the first number, I would think to myself or say out loud, 3. Together, what's the first number?
3.
Good job. Step 2 is jump that many times from 0. Hannah, what's the second step?
Jump that many times from 0.
Good job. Thanks for paying attention. So I'll use my pencil and let's just fill this number line in really fast like you guys did on your paper. So I'm going to jump 3 times from 0. 1, 2, 3. Sydney, how many times did I jump from 0?
3.
Perfect. Step 3 is read the second number. So I would say to myself, 2. Hannah, what's the second number?
Read the second number.
Oh, what's the second number?
Oh, 2.
Good job, thank you. The fourth step is jump that many more times. Hannah, what's the fourth step?
Jump that many more times.
Good job. So I would go 2 more times. 1, 2. The fifth step is the number you land on is the answer. Sydney, what's the fifth step?
The number you land on is the answer.
Perfect. So I look where I landed, and I landed on 5. Hannah, what number did I land on?
5.
So Sydney, what's the answer?
5.
Perfect. So the answer to 3 plus 2 is 5. Let's check this problem together. Everyone hold up 3 fingers on one hand. Good job. And 2 fingers on the other hand. Now let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. And we also did that on the number line. Great work. Now let's do another one. Let's try 5 plus 5. What do we do first?
Read the first number.
Let's read it together. 5. Good, reading together. What's our next step? Jump that many times from 0. Let's count and jump together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, jumping together, everybody. What's the third step?
Read the second number.
Good job. This third step is read the second number. Let's read it together. 5. What's the fourth step? Jump that many more times. Let's count and jump together from where we left off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what's the last step? The number you land on is the answer. That's right. So what number did we land on altogether? 10. So what's our answer? 10. Correct. The answer to 5 plus 5 is 10. And we were able to use the number line to figure that out. Let's do another example. Let's try 5 plus 3. Sydney, what do we do first?
Read the first number.
That's right, good answer. Hannah, can you please read the first number?
5.
Good reading. Sydney, what's our next step?
Jump that many times from 0.
Perfect. Hannah, can you come up and jump, or can you do step 2 on the board? And count out loud?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Good jumping. And Hannah, what's our third step?
Read the second number.
Perfect. Sydney, can you read the second number, please?
3.
That's right, 3 is our second number. And Sydney, what is our fourth step?
Jump that many more times.
Can you please come do that on the board and count out loud as you jump?
1, 2, 3.
Great. Hannah, what's the fifth step?
The number you land on is the answer.
Great, and what number did Sydney land on?
8.
She did, that's right. Sydney landed on 8. So Sydney, what's our answer?
8.
Perfect. The answer to 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. You guys are really getting the hang of it. I'm liking how you are all sitting quietly and responding when I'm asking you to. Good job. Now we're going to try some on our own worksheet. So everybody, let me hand out your worksheet. Okay, everyone put your finger on the first problem. And go ahead and, Hannah, can you do the first step out loud, please?
Read the first number.
Can you do it now?
8.
Good job. The first number is 8. So everyone, make 8 jumps from 0 on your number line. Good job. And Sydney, can you please do step 3 for us?
1.
Right. The second number is 1 on your paper. Can you all please do step 4? Good job. You all jumped 1 jump. Perfect. And Hannah, what number did you land on after that last jump?
9.
So Sydney, what's the answer?
9.
You guys got this. The answer is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. And you were able to do that on your number line. Okay? And here is your next worksheet. Can everyone put your finger on problem 1? Now everyone do step 1 in your head. Now do step 2 on your paper. Now do step 3 in your head. Now do step 4 on your paper. Now do step 5 and write your answer where it goes. Nice work. It looks like everyone got the correct answer of 6. Good job. I think you guys really understand the number line. So now go ahead and complete the rest of the problems quietly. Raise your hand if you need help or if you have a question, and I will be walking around and check to make sure you've got the hang of it. Great work, class. Thank you for working so quietly. Today, you learned how to use the number line. What did you learn today?
How to use the number line.
And on that number line, we added. What did you do on that number line?
You added.
Good job. Thank you for always being in ready position and answering carefully and together. Your cooperation helped us get through the lesson fast and helped you understand the lesson. Tomorrow, you will learn how to subtract using a number line.